Okay guys, over here. What's up guys, this is Anthony here. And me and Leon made a new channel called The Weather Kids. And look right now, we just got a tornado warning. Look at those trees. That tree barely moves and look at it, it's moving. Those are moving, so we need to be careful. And if you come over here, over to this other window, see that tree right there? Has no leaf and is still moving. If that falls, we are really in trouble. Because that is a mesquite tree? Yeah, mesquite tree. What has thousands of thorns. And we are inside because we don't want to be blown away. So this is why we're inside. And we keep you in touch when it starts getting bad. Thank you for watching my channel.
I think he just came inside.
Yes. I was running because I almost got hit by a tree.
There was a huge branch that was falling, and Anthony just went under the branch when it was falling, and he did not get dirty.
No dirt. And look, you come down here, it's a bush right here, and see how the roots are? They're supposed to be strong, but it's moving. Hear it? I just came from my friend's house, so I'm terrified. See how hard it sounds like? So we are stopping this video right now.